In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Tableau workbook from Tableau Public or Tableau Online. So if you're ready to dive into this process, let's get started. To begin, you'll first want to head over to Tableau Public. If you're not familiar with Tableau Public, it's a great platform where you can share and discover visualizations. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Ensure that you use your registered email and corresponding password. Logging in is necessary because the ability to download a workbook is only accessible when you're logged into your account. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your profile. Look for your profile icon, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. By doing this, you'll be directed to your personal profile where all your published visualizations reside. This is your collection of workbooks, and it's from here that you can select the specific workbook you wish to download. Once you're on your profile page, take a moment to review your workbooks. Find the workbook you intend to download. Now, when you've made your decision, click to open it. You'll notice a variety of options, but the one we need is the download icon. It's typically represented by a downward arrow and is often located towards the bottom of the visualization panel. After clicking on the download icon, you'll be presented with several download options. In this instance, you will want to select Tableau Workbook. This choice ensures you're downloading a file that's fully compatible with Tableau, enabling you to edit and interact with the workbook on your desktop version of Tableau. Before proceeding with the download, there's an important step to note: selecting the Tableau version. As Tableau updates are frequent, you might need to specify which version of Tableau you prefer the workbook to be saved in. This choice ensures that the workbook works seamlessly on your software without compatibility issues. Once you've made your version selection, go ahead and click on Download. The workbook should start downloading onto your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it might automatically be saved to your default download folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location to save it. If you're utilizing Tableau Online instead of Tableau Public, you'll be pleased to know that the download process is virtually identical. The steps remain much the same, from logging in to selecting and downloading your workbook. And there you have it. That's how you can download a Tableau workbook from either Tableau Public or Tableau Online. With this newfound knowledge, you can now easily access your visual functions and analytical capabilities offline. Thanks for joining me, and happy exploring with Tableau.